Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Hyundai Tucson, stock on the 6563. It's run from the 6th 2015 and the 1st 2021. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,